How to share screen in Zoom meetings on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Zoom. Go to your meetings. At the bottom, you will find all these options. Scroll to the left and then you'll find share. Click on share. After that, you will find all these options again. Scroll down and you'll find screen option. Click on it. Allow audio and then video if needed. Then press on start now. After you've pressed on start now, it will lead you to this page. Click on Zoom and then allow display over other apps. After you've turned this on, you will be able to share your screen on Zoom. And this is how to share a screen in Zoom meeting on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.